Hello, I'm Mandy. I'm a teacher at Adult Education Wolverhampton, and I'm going to teach you how to do a monoprint using oil pastels. You'll need a piece of paper, an image that you would like to take a print from, some oil pastels and a sharp point or a biro. First of all, get your image, and on the back you can cover with the oil pastels. You can use one colour or you can use multiple colours. Make sure that you put a thick layer . You could do this in neat sections, or you could do it abstract like I am doing at the moment. Once you've covered the back of your image, then you will need to turn it over and place it onto your clean piece of paper. You can secure this with some tape or maybe a clipboard if you wish. Hold it in position and then carefully draw over your image, pressing firmly. You could add areas of interest and marks by colouring in areas or making patterns and marks. If you wish to look at what you are doing, make sure you hold your image in position and lift gently to reveal. And then you can continue drawing your image. You could add extra detail in. Again, revealing to have a look. Once you are happy with your design, you can remove your image. You can either leave it as a monoprint, or you could take it a little bit further and you could use some watercolours to then paint either over your image as a wash. And you can see how the oil pastels resist the paint and the lines come through. Or you could alternatively paint in between the lines. Here's some that my students have done previously in class. Thank you for watching.